You're watching Weed Feed News to Gill, delivering the latest in cannabis headlines and community stories, powered by BYOL Media.
Forget just bread and milk. New Yorkers are stocking up on weeds before the weather advisory. As a major extreme cold weather approached, licensed cannabis shops across New York saw shelves empty fast. Customers rushed in buying flour, pre-rolls, concentrates, even cannabis chocolates nearly sold out. One shopper dropped $400 just to make sure he wouldn't run out if the city got snowed in. Shop owners say sales doubled compared to last year. For many, cannabis is no longer a luxury. It's becoming a winter staple. Bread, eggs, milk, and marijuana. Weed Feed, where culture meets current events. Remember to like and subscribe. From the culture to the community, this is Weed Feed News. We'll see you next time.